Yeah, so this is gonna be the boom. I'm gonna put an electric crane here instead of this manual one. I don't want to do away with that shit. I'm gonna put electric in here, probably like a 2,000 pound. That's all I need. Cause I'm gonna just pick up ACs. And ACs they number like shit, 100, probably like 60 pounds. Like they light. And then I'm gonna make an extension here. I'm gonna cut all this stuff off, get rid of that. I'm gonna put a different base on it, and I'm gonna hook it up to where you can hook it up to the back of a truck. You see what I'm saying? So I'm gonna have it where you can actually hook it up, have a battery, you set up on the side, or you can do everything electric, zoom it up there, you know what I'm saying? Put the AC on top of the roof, come down, and it's gonna be able to hook up in this. Check it out. Like what a hitch is here.
Okay.
It's gonna hook up in there, but it's gonna go sideways, and then it's gonna have a mount coming down here where it's gonna brace it, and then I can just, you know what I'm saying, boom it up here.
Yeah.
But it'll be all electric, and then I can take it out. I don't want to get the one, they got the ones that are mounted in the bed.
Right.
But if I mount in the bed, that means you got to use this truck all the time.
Right.
So I want to be able to do where no matter
multiple trucks.
Exactly. So if I get my partner say, hey man, come pick up the rig, put it in the back of your truck. You got me. And we done. And we done in this bitch. Okay. Hog on.